Okay, we're going to assess right now brightspace, in particular, creating electronic grades for quizzes, creating quiz, modifying quiz settings, and adding randomizing question set to the quiz. So let's begin by setting up a new quiz. We'll go into assessment, quizzes and exams, new quiz. Here on the properties tab, we'll give it a name. This will be week 2 quiz. And we will go ahead and save that right now. We'll go into the restrictions folder. We want to make sure this is active. We want to give it dates to start and stop. We'll start today. We'll end when this class ends on the 22nd. And we'll give a time limit. We're going to enforce that time limit. And we want to give 90 minutes here. But we also want to have them get a warning. So we will auto submit. Okay, there we go. And we will hit save. Fantastic. On Assessment tab, we want to go ahead and choose the grade item to line this up with. What item? This will be the week 2 quiz. This is where we want to allow the auto export to the grades. And how many attempts allowed, we're just going to leave. We're going to change this to unlimited. And here we want to average all the attempts and save that. Now we want to go ahead and go into our setting for the submissions views. And on this, we just want to select default view. We want to make sure this says something appropriate. Your quiz has been submitted successfully. Works for me. We want to select no for showing here the details. And we want to show the attempted score and the overall attempted score. So we will hit save here. Okay, so that quiz now should be all set up. So let's go ahead now and add the randomizing quiz things. We want to go into our assessment here, quizzes and exams. We want to manage quizzes. Here we have the week 2 quiz. Let's select that. Excellent. So now that we have that, we want to add and edit questions. Okay, what we're going to do is we are going to take a random section. We want to give this a name, so let's just say week 2 randomized questions. And let's go ahead and hit save there. Fantastic. Now we want to click on this folder. And we want to click on import, and we want to choose our source selection. We're just going to go ahead and take our week 1 quiz questions, and we want to go ahead and check this box next to the folder if we want all these questions included. Otherwise, we can just go in and select whichever individual ones we want. So we're going to select all. And then we're going to click save. And then how many questions do we want per attempt? Well, since there's only 5, we're going to say we want all 5. And since this quiz is valued at 10 points, I want to go ahead and say they're 2 points each. And we want to go ahead and save this. And we are done editing the questions. So now we have all 5 we want to show up on one page. They're 2 points each for a total of 10, our quiz 2. And we want to go ahead and we want to apply this first. And then we want to go ahead and save this and save and close. And our quiz is now created.